The Dallas Mavericks dominated the Oklahoma City Thunder. They won this game by 16 points. The rookie, Dennis Smith Jr., he had 15 points, and Dirk had 19. Russell Westbrook almost got a triple-double. He was 1 assist shy as he makes that crazy layup. The story in this game is Paul George. He had just 2 points tonight. That's not going to cut it. Another and one for Russell Westbrook. He's doing everything he can, but this is a little bit scary. It's been a bad first 2 months of the season, and a team like the Mavericks, you've got to be able to beat the Mavericks. The Thunder are now 8-11 on the season as they leave the rookie wide open in the corner. What is going on with their defensive effort? That really seems to be the issue. They're just leaving players open, and this happened in their last game as well. Paul George, he just couldn't make a shot tonight to save his life. He was 1 of 12. He took a lot of tough shots, but sometimes this can happen, even to the best of players. But when you're missing this much, you need to do layups. And actually, he attempts to do a layup here, and he misses the layup as well. So now he's he really lost his confidence when you're missing layups. He did get 10 assists, though. Carmelo gonna knock down the splash. Maybe the month of December will be the month that the Thunder actually start to get some consistency, because if they play like this for another month, they might not be able to make the playoffs. Those teams in the West, if they get it going, like right now, they're 10th in the standings. There's plenty of time for the Thunder to get back in it, but if December's another bad month, it could be too little, too late. Dirk left wide open. You can't leave the veteran. Nice win for the Mavs. And now they've switched the matchup. They got Lonzo. Oh, what's this? I got a little flies. I got Clarkson leaning. That's what you get. You're trying to hide Lonzo, so now you got to catch this ankle breaker. Now they subbed